Good morning everyone. Today we will read SST Civics topic chapter number 1, the Constitution. But before start the lesson, give me an answer. Where do we find the rules that govern our country? Yes, right, in Constitution. In every game we have some rules. These rules help the player to play a fair game and help us to distinguish one game from another. Do we have such rules in our society? Yes, like this game, society also have consecutive rules that make it what it is and also differentiate it from other kind of societies. In large societies where different kind of communities live together, these rules are formulated through consensus. These consensus are available in written form. So, a written document in which we find such rules is called constitution. Okay, student? Now you learn what is constitution? Constitution is a set of rules that guides how a country, state or other political organization works. It is adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect 26 January 1950. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was considered the father of Indian Constitution. This assembly took almost 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete this constitution. Features of Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest and lengthiest written constitution in the world. It is not flexible and rigid. Rigid means hard. It means it is partially rigid and partially flexible and so it can easily change and grow with the changes of times. Parliament system. It upholds universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means right to vote those who are 18 and above. It ensured the fact that the people of country play a direct role in electing their representative to run the state as well as the nation. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are those rights which are essential for intellectual, moral and spiritual development of individual. We have 6 rights in our constitution. Fundamental duties. Fundamental duties. As a countryman, we also have a duty to be patriotic towards our country. It is our social responsibility to do these duties for our country. Why do we need constitution? We need constitution for several reasons. It helps to set of rules that guides how a country or other political organization works. A constitution tells us the fundamental nature of our society. Constitution provides safeguards against misuse of authority. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you.